My name is Colby Holt, and I work for ES Solar. We're based out of Layton, Utah, but we service most of the West. Really the opportunity to expand our sales and service to more customers. We really want to try and take the best care of our customers that we can, and this program allows us to do that for more customers. We struggled a little bit in 2021, as did most solar installers. This Re-Energize program came about, we caught wind of it, and we were able to add this to our fleet. Really, it's changed the game for us. Changed the game for our customers. Our customers, it allows them to add battery and storage. The most valuable part of this offering for us has been the ability to go back and help more customers. To be able to have the customers provide or utilize a battery has been monumental for them. Some of the unexpected benefits of the Re-Energize program are that it highlighted exactly how large this market is. We didn't even realize when we started to do this program how large the market is to go back. Energy storage with batteries is the future, and being able to provide a solution for both the utility and the customer and do that affordably, it is a win-win-win operation. It's a win for SolarEdge, it's a win for us as an installer, and ultimately it's a win for our customer. The saturation of each market is different and depends on their market. No matter what that saturation is, that is an instant amount of brand new customers for that installer to be able to go forth and re-up their customer. It allows them to solve their customers' problems. Another reason is that it re-ups the customer's warranty, and so allows that customer to get a brand new 12-year warranty on the inverter that they can then push out to the 25-year warranty. We've had a lot of customers that have wanted to do that and have added a battery so that they get that added warranty on their system. The measurable results have been huge. We have seen a dramatic increase in our business revenue. 2024 is going to be our biggest year yet. And a lot of that is thanks to the Re-Energize program. Without that untapped market, we really wouldn't be able to have the record year that we've had.